Hey everyone, Mario here, founder of Makeup by Mario, and I'm so excited to share with you today the newest additions to my SoftSculpt family, the new SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer and Skin Perfector. I created these two products to instantly transform your skin in two super easy steps in what I call my two-step transformation. So keep watching to see how it's done. So this is the SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Enhancer. This is a 3-in-1 product that instantly warms, tints, and evens out your skin. It is available in 6 shades that flatter and enhance all skin tones. It looks darker in the pan than it actually does on the skin. For you, I'm going to be using the shade medium today because you have a slight tan. So this is just going to sort of enhance and perfect the skin. I'm using my F1 complexion brush. We're going to use the fuller side of the brush. You're just going to tap it into the product here, and you're going to start out by just sort of applying it to the perimeter of the face and then blending inwards. And this is going to make you look very warm. It's going to really even out the complexion, and it's also going to softly sculpt. And you can see that this product is very sheer and extremely buildable. I developed this so that it's very easy to build the product to your desired effect. And I always like to add just a little bit right to the top of the nose right here. Give that really sun-kissed look. And then if you want to add a little more, just pat it right into the areas where you want to further define and sculpt. Then I love a monochromatic look, of course, so I'm just taking the smaller end of the F1 brush, and I'm just going to apply some right along the crease of the eye as well. This is going to give you just like an instant definition to the eyes. Very natural, breathable. I mean, it's so easy, it's so quick. Your skin is absolutely flawless, and that's exactly what I wanted with this product. All right, so now is the step 2 of my 2-step transformation, and this is the SoftSculpt Transforming Skin Perfector. This is a 3-in-1. It's super, super cool. You have a little bit of a translucent powder on the top, a tiny bit of a soft highlighter in the center, and then a bronzer, a matte bronzer below. When you mix them all three, it's quite literally magic. Basically, whatever shade you are in the Skin Enhancer, you're going to be in the Skin Perfector as well. And so in your case, you're going to be shade medium. This unique blend of 3 different powders in here is going to perfect, set, and illuminate the complexion. So it's like a triple threat. I'm using the F2 brush now, the larger side. I'm gonna basically just quickly sort of set the complexion now right on top of what I applied before. You don't have to be too precise with this. Another great thing about the Transforming Skin Enhancer is that you have the option, let's say if you want to further define or enhance with bronzer, you would just dip the brush into the bronzer portion of the Perfector, and you just apply a little bit more bronzer to further define and sculpt. And that is it, my super simple and easy 2-step transformation. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to use the new SoftSculpt collection.